Okay, so I'm going to explain about our first program, but using variables. The point of using variables is that variables store the information that is given to you. Like if you put the name of the variable is here is my variable. Here we put what assignment operator, and this is the string hello world, which we did in the first program. But in this one, we are not going to straightly put hello world. We are going to use a variable for this. Like we put variable and operator, we put hello world. With single quotes or double quotes, it will be the same. And then if we put print my underscore variables, the same thing which we put as the variables hello world will come as the output. As Python searches inside the variable what is stored in it. Like a variable is like it's a storage place with one name. So my variable. This is a variable name. The my variable is a variable name. This is, you can see this, right? This is an assignment operator which assigns a value to the variable. Hello world. This is a string. I already explained. We saw. So this string, right, is called text data, or that is stored inside my variable. The variable is currently stores a string value, hello world. So that I told you, if Python searches inside what is the variable, it will take that and make it as the output. So you can put multiple things, but it has to be in one line. And if you put nothing, no syntax error, no name error, it will just come as nothing. You can reuse the variable anytime in your program. Like if you put print my variable, you can again copy this and put it some other time. Thank you.